Hi, I'm Christine. I'm working as an intern at the Lijo, and I'm here for 4 months in total and working on the Plant a Tree project. So, how you can see in my back is that the landscape is very different and is mostly containing eucalyptus and pine trees. And those trees are they are not native to Portugal, and they tend to be rough to the ecosystem because they drain a lot of water and they tend to cause wildfires. What we've done is to get rid of most of those plants of eucalyptus and pine trees in order to create a safer environment for us and for our surroundings. So we started this last year and we got rid of a lot of them on the other side on this slope. And we started to cut down the trees mostly on the hillside that we are standing on right now. We want to introduce more of the native plants that are cork oaks and sweet chestnuts because they help the ecosystem to be more resilient, to keep more water, more moisture in the floor, and to offer shelter for wildlife. And this is not offered by the plants that are put here mainly because of economic value, like eucalyptus and pines. So we are starting this, and we wish for it to be a visionary or for us to get others informed as well, our neighbors, that this solution for the problem of wildfires is spreading the solution of the fires. So what you can do, what you can be a part of, is donating to Plant a Tree. To be part of this process, have your own tree that's marked with your name that you can revisit when you are coming to the Lijo, and to, for example, have a ceremony as well if you are coming with your group and your group is gathering and wanting to plant a tree for your well-being. And we invite you to reach out, just send us an email and tell us what your wishes are, and we can come up with an idea how you can be part of Plant a Tree, how you can become part of this change in our landscape.